You have to blend it.
Mommy, can I be in it?
This is Elevate Vitality Elevate Vanilla Naturally Flavored Plant-Based Protein Shake, and it's made by the company called Melaleuca. Melaleuca is basically a company where you have to sign up online. It's like yearly membership, so you pay for the membership and then you can shop. So if you don't have membership, you can't shop. Yeah, basically. So if wherever you are, it doesn't necessarily have to be me, it could be anyone. You could sign up with that person if you're interested in trying the products. Melaleuca has a lot of great products, probably about, I think it's over 500 products they have by now because they keep releasing new stuff. Alright, so it's plant-based as I said, and it's a protein shake mix. You don't have to have a blender. So it's sealed. This is the first time we're actually using it. You want to pull it?
Oh, this seal is really good.
You see, that's why I can't drink it. Like, as long as it looks milky, creamy, there's no way I'm drinking it. It smells good though. Alright, so we have the scoop. Deja, move your head. This is a scoop, and this is what it looks like. Like, this is like the color. It has this dark beige color. It's really nice looking, and it smells really great. It tastes sweet, like the powder just go up in my mouth. Add 2 scoops of Select Vitality Elevate plant-based protein. Dejan, I'd kick you out of the video, you know. Plant-based protein to 8 full ounce of water. Stir or shake until smooth. Drink immediately. Reseal after use. Store in a cool, dry place. So 2 scoops. So you put the water first, or you
Put this shake.
put this first? Okay.
So 2 scoops.
It's very dusty. It's like the powder is as fine as like makeup powder. It's that fine because every moment or any little thing that I do, the powder is actually flying up in my face. That's how fine it is. It's like mad fine. Let me show you. This is how fine it is. Well, they said to stir or blend, so I guess if this is something that you're going to try or would like to try, you could blend it for yourself. So this is the plant-based one. Fabian said that he's had the regular one, which would be made of what, milk?
Yeah.
So I guess he can tell us the difference, if it tastes the same or if it's like the Incredible Burger. I've never had that actually, and I don't plan on eating it because I don't do imitation meat, that thing from Burger King. Let me use this other spoon. Yeah. Some of it actually got stuck to the spoon, so I literally just scraped it off.
Very thick too.
It's thick?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. It's like milkshake thick. So I guess you just have to keep stirring to thicken it.
You could probably add what fruits you want.
It's really thick. This is why I just can't drink it, because it just looks like milk. I don't do milkshake. I don't do soy milk. I don't do coconut milk. I don't do almond milk. No, I'm not tasting that. It tastes good. It tastes good. You're taking too long for answer.
It's my first time trying plant-based. So I gotta really get a taste of this plant-based product.
How it tastes in comparison to the one that you had that's not plant-based?
When I first open it, it smells sweet, but it's not sweet.
It's not sweet?
It's not sweet, and
Let me taste a little. Kind of tastes grainy. Yeah.
I think it's because of the protein. That's why it tastes so grainy. But for me, I would probably blend this with a fruit.
With banana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wouldn't.
To smooth it out.
Correct. I wouldn't do it by itself like this. That's me personally.
It's grainy like the fiber thing. You remember the fiber thing? The fiber one that I opened and you had some of it?
Yes. No. This one is more grainy.
That one more grainy than the fiber one?
Yeah.
Okay.
It tastes good. I would recommend it, but with a fruit.
They say it's soy free, so for people who don't like soy, it's soy free, gluten free, no artificial sweeteners, GMO free, and it's vegan. Select Vitality Elevate plant-based protein is the perfect fit for your lifestyle. With the protein you need to reach your goals, whether you're building muscle or simply maintaining muscle mass as you age. So basically, it's like just protein.
Protein.
Yeah.
This is just for the vegan.
Yeah, for people who don't eat animal products and who wants to go plant-based. And 15 servings per container. And that's all for now. Thank you, Vivian. Oh, this thing slipped out of my hand. Anyway, so I'm including my cousin. This is Fabian.
Hi.
Oh, and this is Dejan, of course. I told him not to say anything. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye. Please like and subscribe.